Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play and earn. Play-to-earn games offer a unique opportunity to gain real-world value through your gaming efforts. You can acquire valuable digital assets, like cryptocurrencies or non-fungible tokens, simply by engaging with the game. These assets are often tradable on various marketplaces, allowing you to convert your in-game achievements into tangible earnings. It's an exciting new frontier in gaming. To begin your play-to-earn journey, first select a game that genuinely interests you and has a strong community. Next, you'll need to set up a digital wallet, like MetaMask, which is compatible with the game's underlying blockchain technology. Many games require an initial investment, perhaps purchasing one or two non-fungible tokens or some game-specific tokens. Always take time to learn the game's rules and potential earning paths before committing your resources. There are several ways to maximize your earnings in play-to-earn games. Actively engage in daily quests, participate in battles, or gather rare resources within the game world. Many players find success by trading valuable in-game assets, such as unique characters or rare items, on external marketplaces. Some games also allow you to stake your game tokens, earning you a passive income over a period of time. Staying informed about game updates and community strategies is key. While play-to-earn offers exciting opportunities, it's crucial to be aware of the risks. The value of cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens can be highly volatile, fluctuating by 20% or more in a single day. Always conduct thorough research on the game developers and their long-term vision. It's wise to only invest an amount you are comfortable losing, as with any emerging technology. Also, remember to understand the tax implications of your digital earnings in your region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.